Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to select the wallpaper effect in this device, or how to do the wallpaper effect in this device. So let me show you. First of all, we need to set a wallpaper, then we can see the effect. Okay, tap and hold on the home screen, then tap on customization, then here you can see wallpaper, and from here you can easily select the wallpaper. So here I am going to select this one. Okay, then tap on the tick symbol, and after that you can see here you can see two options, atmosphere and glass. If you select this atmosphere, then the home page you can see a blurry image of this wallpaper. Just I will show you. Here I am going to turn on for the atmosphere. Now you can see one blurry image you can see here. If now I am going to turn off this one, so here you can see one option, glass. So here I am going to turn on the glass. Now you can see one glass image you can see here. Let me show you the closer view, then you can see the change. Okay, let me select the atmosphere. You can see the wallpaper is blurred. If I select the glass, now you can see glass image. So simply in this way you can do the wallpaper effects in this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.